Apple has released the public betas for its latest operating systems for all its devices. In this guide, I will show you how to install macOS 26 Tahoe, iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 public betas on your devices. Before we begin, remember to create a backup of your device so if anything goes wrong or you want to revert to the current stable builds, you don't lose your data. With that said, let's see first how to install macOS 26 Tahoe public beta. Use the Apple menu to launch the System Settings app, open the General Settings and click on the Software Update setting. Let it check for the update and click the I button next to the beta updates. Click on the drop-down menu next to beta updates. Now choose the macOS Tahoe public beta and click the Done button. Your Mac will look for the public beta and present it. Click the Upgrade Now button and confirm with your Mac's password to install the update. Now, let's check how to install the iOS 26 public beta. Launch the Settings app and open the General Settings. Open Software Updates. Click on Beta Updates and choose the iOS 26 public beta option. Wait for the update to load and tap the Update Now button and confirm the installation with your password. Finally, let's check how to install the iPadOS 26 public beta, which is similar to how you do it on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app, select the General Settings and tap the Software Update option. Open Beta Updates and select the iPadOS 26 public beta option. Tap the Update Now button and confirm with your iPad's password, and that's it. You know now how to install the macOS 26 Tahoe, iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 public betas on your Mac, iPhone and iPad. Before you go, click here to get the top 10 hidden features of iOS 26. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.